Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And so this coming 2 weeks, we are going to unbox the mains of L case. So before that, I just wanted to ask you one thing. Since we changed this mat, I just want to understand if you guys are able to see the video clearly. I mean, like it is bright enough to view because I don't know. It's been more than like 20 days since I actually did any video. So after that, I'm just doing videos from last week only. I'm just taking in like one shot because I'm traveling a lot nowadays. So just let me know if this is really bright. I mean, good enough to view the video, or if you want me to change the mat to the BMW one. So this is how with this mat only we started, because back then it looked really clear. So with that thought only I started using this again, and I ordered one more mat which is with this kind of white bright color. So hopefully I'll be getting that in next couple of weeks. So with that said, let me just showcase you this week's videos. Okay, let's start with this one. So the McLaren Speedtail, we do have a STH version of this one. So I personally love the McLaren Speedtail because of one reason is, so the actual the spoiler here, that is actually made of some kind of metal. So it actually goes up and down like this. It actually fused along with the body. So in the the spoiler activates when you reach a certain speed, and then it retracts. So the usual spoiler thing happens, but it is actually how I can say, it is like a part of the metal. It's not like separate piece like you see in other supercars or hypercars, like either in Lamborghini or in Pagani, more or Koenigsegg, or even Bugatti and all. So this one is a bit different. It's unique. So I actually loved this one when I saw the actual cars video. So for this week we will be unboxing this one. We will be unboxing the STH soon. So I'm just planning to do something. Let me, I mean, just finish everything, and then I will just come to that STH and some good unboxing. I mean, some more good unboxing on top of whatever we are doing now. Okay, so this is a 2013 SRT Viper. So I do love Dodge Viper a lot. So I bought this one, and this one, I, as you guys know, I don't like EVs, but this livery looked really nice, so I bought it. And the color on this, it does look kind of pearlescent. So that's a main reason I actually bought this casting. So, and the rims and everything looked really cool. So let's see how this one looks. So here is the another one, the Chevy Blazer Custom. So this looks a bit different. I don't think I have this casting before, so I bought it. And this might be a lot of people's favorite in this particular set. So the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So usually, when it comes to Porsche, Hot Wheels does it a little bit better. I mean, compared to other castings which they do. So it does have this acrylic headlight insets and all. So I am really a bit curious to unbox this one because this is feeling a little bit heavy. Okay, last but not least, this is the treasure hunt of this particular case. So this is Honda S800 Racing. So I, okay, unfortunately I didn't get the STH for this particular case, but I got the regular version of the Bugatti, that will be unboxed next week. So stay tuned for all this unboxing, guys. And if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And once again, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.